Learning starts from home, and mother is the very first teacher of every child on this planet. This is a beautiful concept on which Kushagra home learning system works. I'm truly grateful to Rama Didi and Kushagra for doing the work they have been doing for so many years. The first reason I'm grateful for is the activity kit which gets sent every single month, so thoughtfully designed that it covers everything you would want to do with your child for a particular month. I personally used to struggle a lot as to what I should do with my children even when I'm sitting with them, like what productive thing. I used to look for the resources on internet, but unfortunately being a working mother and living in a joint family, it was truly difficult for me. So this is the kind of activity kit bag you receive every single month. This is full of all the activities, like the ones it focuses on the gross motor skills, your listening skills. The CD covers not just the English rhymes or poems or song, but it has a Sanskrit, any one regional language, even a Hindi as a language, and hand-eye coordination, some puzzles, and some toys like this, wooden toys, and touch and feel toys. So it focuses on five elements as well as five senses. So when was the last time you allowed your child to play in the sand? I have started doing it after getting in touch with Kushagri. When was the last time you allowed your child to, see fire? So last time we got an activity where we had to lit the candle, and I had to show my child like a fire requires air to burn. So I showed it to them. So this is how the Kushagra home learning system works on five elements as well as five senses and overall development. So once you get the activity kit, if you keep on doing it, like, and this is it, like it's like a one-stop thing which you can do with your children every single month. Second is kind of the workshops that get conducted by Kushagra. I have personally attended the two workshops. One was on Annamaya Kosha and the second was on a Pranamaya Kosha, in which we made a garland making activity. Me and my children, I have twins, we made a garland together. So it was a very different and new thing, and I got to know many different flowers, and I got to meet various mothers. And in Annamaya Kosha, I allowed my children to jump from a height. I allowed them to climb a ladder high on the terrace. I allowed them to do the obstacles. So it let the fear which is there in the mother to come out and allow their children to do things beyond, by going beyond the fear, and making them confident. These days I have personally seen mothers, don't do it, like we all do like this. But after joining Kushagra, I have understood that I should allow my children by taking care of all the safety measures, but I should not restrict my children from doing things like these. And yeah, there was and during lockdown we also had an online workshop which was focused on mothers, where we learned about Sanskrit. I wrote a poem in the lockdown just because I was encouraged by all the mothers on the group, and especially Rama Didi. And we learned Sanskrit. We had an Ashtang yoga workshop, and on various koshas. These things I was not aware of, and about our culture as well. There was, we did like tomorrow is Janmashtami, so we all mothers are making sure that we are dressed up like Yashodas and our kids are dressed up like Krishnas and Radhas. So it is taking our culture forward also in other ways. So that's another reason I love Kushagra. And third is it's very cost effective. Like if you every like you don't have to stack so many toys. Every month you receive so many activities that you don't think of buying anything else for your children. And we all know that like kids get bored with toys very easily. So 1 month is like too much for them to stick with any single toy. And there is a lot of excitement, not just in me, but also in my children to receive the activity kit. So yes, So these are the three things I love Kushagra because of the activity kit workshop and it's cost effective. I would highly recommend Kushagra to every single mother, and yes, please continue to do the work you have been doing. We love you, and I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. And thank you for making me a better individual and a better mother overall. Thank you.